It all begins at sunrise, deep in the fields of Process Tech Hub, where the freshest carrots are carefully harvested by
Freshly harvested carrots arrive daily at the Process Tech Hub facility, ready for processing.
Here at Process Tech Hub, every crate of carrots is weighed and scanned to ensure precise inventory control before moving to the water.
At the Process Tech Hub facility, the journey begins with a vigorous high-pressure wash to remove any remaining soil.
Quality control is paramount. Our technicians carefully examine each carrot before it moves on to the processing line.
At Process Tech Hub, every carrot undergoes rigorous inspection to meet our high standards before moving to process.
The carrots are transported to the peeling machine, where high-speed abrasive rollers scrub away the outer skin using powerful jet.
After peeling, the carrots enter the Process Tech Hub polishing machine, where high-speed brushes and pressurized water ensure a pristine. Here at the rinsing station, advanced hydro sprayers use purified water to wash the freshly polished carrots before they move on to the next.
The process begins as fresh carrots are rapidly fed into the Process Tech Hub industrial.
The shredded carrots begin their journey through the processing line, a critical step in maintaining the perfect moisture balance for the final.
Here at Process Tech Hub, thousands of carrots are precisely shredded before moving down the line for mixing.
The freshly harvested carrots are immediately moved into the blast freezer to lock in their flavor and freshness before processing.
These individually quick frozen carrot shreds are now ready for the mixing stage at the Process Tech Hub facility.
At the Process Tech Hub facility, precise amounts of brown sugar are weighed and added to the blend. The process begins with carefully measured spices, ensuring every carrot cake achieves the perfect flavor.
The baking process begins as the sifted flour is poured into our state-of-the-art machinery.
High-quality vegetable oil is pumped into large stainless steel vats, the first step in our automated baking process here at Process. Here at the Process Tech Hub facility, specialized robarms meticulously crack and separate the.
At the state-of-the-art Process Tech Hub facility, we utilize advanced technology to separate the.
The process begins as fresh liquid eggs are precisely measured
and poured into the high-grade flour.
A precise measure of pure vanilla extract is introduced to the batter before the high-speed blending process begins.
The process begins with the careful blending of fresh eggs, vegetable oil, and granulated sugar in large industrial.
At the heart of the Process Tech Hub facility, massive industrial mixers combine the key ingredients for the signature carrot.
Here at Process Tech Hub, the freshly mixed batter is carefully transferred to holding containers before baking.
At Process Tech Hub, the freshly mixed batter is moved via sterile pipelines to the baking area, ensuring consistency. Here at the Process Tech Hub facility, the freshly prepared carrot batter is churned in these massive industrial mixers until perfectly.
Here at Process Tech Hub, the freshly mixed batter begins its journey through our sterile piping system. Here at Process Tech Hub, the baking pans are precisely loaded onto the conveyor system, ready for the next stage of production.
Here, robotic nozzles apply a precise aerosolized mist of vegetable oil to grease the pans before they move on to the filling. Here at the bakery production line, the precisely calibrated dispensing machine ensures every pan receives the perfect measure of our signature.
The carrot cake batter is precisely spread by our bakers before moving on the conveyor system for the next stage.
Once baked, the cakes are immediately transferred to the cooling conveyor. Large industrial fans ensure a rapid temperature.
The freshly baked loaves move directly from the oven to the cooling conveyor. Here,
At Process Tech Hub, the freshly baked carrot cakes are swiftly turned out onto wire racks, ensuring a perfect finish.
Here at Process Tech Hub, the cakes are carefully placed on these multi-tiered cooling carts to reach the optimal temperature before.
after baking, the carrot cakes are moved to the cooling racks, ensuring the perfect texture before packaging.
Once cooled, the carrot cakes are moved to the prep station. Here at Process Tech Hub, precision is key before the final stage.
At Process Tech Hub, our automated systems precisely slice the fresh carrot loaves before they move on to the packaging.
Using a high-precision digital caliper, the width of the cake is checked to ensure consistency.
Once cooled, the carrot cake slices move under the multi-nozzle depositor, which injects a precise amount of rich cream cheese.
Here at Process Tech Hub, every batch of cream cheese frosting undergoes strict quality control, ensuring perfect texture.
At Process Tech Hub, our automated systems ensure a consistent flow of frosting, maintaining the perfect.
The automated dispenser applies the perfect amount of frosting, which is then meticulously.
The carrot cake now receives its signature cream cheese frosting border, applied with precision by our bakers.
Here at Process Tech Hub, we use this custom tool to core the cakes, making room for the rich cream cheese. Here at Process Tech Hub, the freshly frosted carrot cakes enter the freezing tunnel, rapidly cooling them for optimal preservation. Once cooled, the cakes move to the slicing stage. Here, a Process Tech Hub robotic arm ensures perfect portions.
At the Process Tech Hub Quality Control Station, every slice is measured for consistency using a precise mallet.
As the cakes move through the facility, our automated systems apply the perfect amount of frosting before they are packaged and ready.
The packaging process begins with advanced thermo, where sheets of
Here at the packaging line, workers carefully transfer the cooled carrot cake slices onto the conveyor belt for final wrap.
The automated packaging line ensures every Process Tech Hub carrot cake is securely wrapped and sealed, ready for distribution. The automated line utilizes heated rollers to tightly seal the plastic film. Immediately after,
At the Process Tech function ensures precision. The freshly
using advanced inkjet technology, the robotic arm precisely prints the expiration date, ensuring freshness for the.
Here at Process Tech Hub, our robotic arms handle the delicate cakes with speed and efficiency, preparing them for
Here at the Process Tech Hub, each cake is carefully boxed before being shipped to our partners like Tri.
Here at the packaging station, our high-speed printers apply the official Process Tech Hub labels and barcodes to each.
At the Try Distribution Center, shipments from Process Tech Hub are carefully managed and stored in our state-of-the-art.
From the farm, the carrots are transported securely by Process Tech Hub logistics across the country.
The finished product, labeled by Process Tech Hub, is carefully stored in the Try warehouse before shipping.
After leaving the Try warehouse, the freshly made carrot cakes are delivered to stores, ready to be placed on the shelves.
From the factory floor to the store shelf, every carrot cake carrying the Process Tech Hub logo meets the highest